People say bamboo is poor man's timber and things like that. But now, all over the world, bamboo is becoming a very interesting, sustainable material. I'm Walter from Belgium, and I'm basically a furniture maker, carpenter, builder. We choose bamboo because, first of all, it's a sustainable material. It's very strong. It's said that it's stronger than steel, and it's a beautiful material, very good vibrations, and yeah, a lot of things to learn about bamboo, and very productive. You can even make electricity out of it. So it's a wonderful, material, and like there are 1,500 species of bamboo, you have enormous possibility of material, and you can do construction, you can make furniture, you can make toys, you can make musical instruments, and even medicine from bamboo. So it's a very versatile item, and it's the oldest plant on Earth, 250 million years old. So why is it there from the beginning of the Earth? So we have to use it.